Hi everyone, this is Abdur from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 28th February, continuing our series to help you prepare for your WAT and PI and get through IIMs and other top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed in our daily news section. Their link is in our description and first pinned comment. Please check it out. Today's top 5 headlines are: India has arrived. Why Modi's economy offers a real alternative to China. Top startup investors stress on corporate governance compliance amid Baiju's Paytm Bank turmoil. Google CEO Pichai reacts to Gemini AI follow. Quick commerce becomes the villain for neighborhood kirana stores. Why the US economy needs more immigrants. Let's look at the first news. India has arrived. Why Modi's economy offers a real alternative to China. The optimism around the world's most populous nation is in stark contrast to the mood found in China, which is grappling with a myriad of economic challenges, including an accelerated flight of capital from the country. India's stock market is hitting record highs. The value of the companies listed on India's exchanges surpassed $4 trillion late last year. The International Monetary Fund expects India to grow by 6.5% next financial year compared to 4.6% for China. Analysts at Jefferies expect the country to become the world's third largest economy by 2027. Some of the world's biggest companies, including Apple supplier Foxconn, are expanding their operations in India. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said his company is looking to invest in India as soon as possible. The next news is about startup leaders stress on corporate governance amid Baiju's Paytm turmoil. Top investors emphasize the need for vigilant corporate governance in the wake of the Baiju's and Paytm Payments Bank and controversies. In 2023 alone, issues of misgovernance and alleged fraud have come to light at startups such as Mockat, Joe Mechanic, and 4B Networks. The startup Mahakumbh will be held from March 18 to 20 of 2024 at the prestigious Bharat Mandapam. It is being supported by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry and organized by Asocam, NASCOM, Bootstrap Incubation and Advisory Foundation, TIE, and Indian Venture and Alternate Capital Association. There will be multiple pavilions where participants will have the chance to explore products and brands in the sectors of AI, SaaS, D2C, agri-tech, fintech, deep tech, biotech, and pharma, B2B manufacturing, and so on. The next news is about under fire. Google CEO Pichai reacts to Gemini AI fallout. Google CEO Sundar Pichai has addressed the issue about Gemini and said that the problematic responses around race were unacceptable. Google has been on the receiving end of the severe backlash following certain responses from its AI outlet, which has reportedly shown racial bias among other problematic issues. This controversy has prompted the question of the risks of AI when programmed with a bias, given how quickly it is permeating our day-to-day lives. Bard was renamed Gemini earlier this month, and Google rolled out paid subscription plans, which users could choose for better reasoning capabilities from the AI model. Since the launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT in November 2022, Google has been racing to produce AI software to rival that of Microsoft-backed company. The next news is about quick commerce becomes the villain for neighborhood kirana stores. A large proportion of Indian consumer purchases is unplanned and of low to moderate order value, but in need of instant fulfillment. This is the business model of quick commerce: speed, convenience, and standardized experience for items that are in high demand and have high rotation frequency. Executives across FMCG companies such as Nestle, Parle, ITC, Marico, and Yamami say that quick commerce platforms now contribute 30 to 50% of their annual e-commerce sales. A slowdown at India's 12 million kirana stores intensified in the last quarter of 2023, and that's the period when quick commerce companies gained share for not just impulse categories such as soft drinks and snacks, but also large staples pack of 5 kg and 10 kg. Globally, a series of quick commerce upstarts emerged in 2022 to 2022, raising substantial capital, but the majority of these have struggled to scale profitably. The last news is about why the US economy needs more immigrants. A recent surge in immigration to the United States, projected to continue through 2026, is expected to have a significant impact on the nation's economy, labor market, and housing sector. New immigrants are likely to initially work in sectors with lower wages, putting downward pressure on average wages across the board. Also, the increased workforce reduces capital per worker, further affecting wages. A significant rise in residential investment due to the increased demand for housing associated with the growing population is expected. The civilian population aged 16 or older in 2033 is now projected to be 7.4 million people, larger than previously estimated, with most of this rise attributed to immigration. Immigration has already emerged as a major polarizing issue in 2024 US presidential election. These are the fine news for today. If you like this video and found this useful, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. We will be posting more videos which will be helpful for your preparation. Thank you and all the best.